The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum.
This is the Wonderful Wizard of Oz, Tonie, not to be confused with the Wizards of Waverly Place.
Something strange is happening.
It's the Wonderful Wizard of Oz story from the original books. It has 22 chapters.
Chapter 1. The Tornado.
This Tonie runs for about 135 minutes.
But Toto, a small black dog with twinkling eyes and silky hair, made Dorothy happy, and Aunt Em. Their small house had a rusty stove.
Another gray day in Kansas.
And rose slowly through the air.
It feels like I'm going up in a balloon.
Aunt Em threw open the cellar door. And
This Tonie is available on the Tonies.com website, and it's a little bit harder to find than most of them. But if I can find a link to it, I'll put it below. Be sure to stick with us, because in 2025, our goal is to review 25 new Tonies. 25 and 25. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or hit the bell to subscribe, and feel free to share with other people you think might enjoy this.